Hey guys, and welcome back to Martin's Diecast Review. Today we are going to look at the Greenlight Anniversary Collection. Let's get this open and take a closer look. Alright, let's see what's in here. First, we have a lovely 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This one's actually a pretty nice Jeep. I know in a previous video I've mentioned that I am tired of seeing so many Jeeps. And it appears that they did another Jeep. But that's alright. This one actually looks a lot better than the other ones. This one actually looks stock, first of all. But then again, this one also has a nice red interior. Looks very cool. Very nice. Let's see. Next, we have the 78 25th anniversary edition of the Chevy Corvette. It's a very nice series overall so far. But this Corvette looks pretty cool. Kind of looks more like an auction car than in somebody's actual collection here. That's awesome. Looks like something you'd see at Barrett Jackson. Very cool. Very cool. Next, we have the 66 Ford Bronco 50th Anniversary Edition. This is a very nice Bronco. It has like a yellowish color to it, but other than that, it's a pretty cool car. Next, we have the 2012 Chevy Corvette. This is the 100th anniversary. This one's actually a very nice one too. Very nice. This one here, I remember I've seen one of them on the pegs, so it appears that nobody was picking this one up, but I don't know why. It's a very nice car. This one right here is my most favorite so far. It's the 56 Ford F100 Shell pickup truck. So this one is celebrating 100 years of Shell USA. Very nice. I am very satisfied with this casting. It's I believe this casting shows up in dioramas and what's the other thing? The little packs that are like $3.99, $4.99. Those very little tiny packs. And last is my favorite overall right here. This one wins. It's the 2017 50th Anniversary Chevy Camaro. Very lovely car. My favorite right here. Really liking this one. And it's a convertible too. Very nice. So there we go. That was the Anniversary Collection Series number 4. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to post a little more about this to the blog. The description to the blog will be... the link to the blog will be in the description below. Let's check that out. I'm trying to post more. Friend Adam's going to try to post more too. So that's awesome. Very nice. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.